There, my tulips, welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. It's been a little minute here. So y'all, believe it or not, I decided to do braids because I had various events coming up for the month of May. So I've had these braids now for about a week or so, and my scalp has been itching, y'all. My scalp stank. I work out about 3 times a week, so I wanted to wash my hair. I wanted to show you guys the progress of the nape of my head. You guys know that, y'all know my situation with that. If you're new tuning in, pretty much, I've had a multitude of different styles. The last main style I had was locks. I decided to comb those locks out during a period where I was extremely stressed out, and unfortunately I combed out my hair back in the nape of my head, so I'm trying to regrow those areas back. So I decided not to put braids there. So products that I'm using for today's wash, I'm going to use this Selsum Blue for Naturals shampoo, you guys. I love this shampoo. I think I did a review of it. I don't use it very often. I only use it as needed. I've had this for quite some time, so I have used it a lot. So basically what I'm doing is, for the sake of this video, I am just wetting my scalp with some water here. So I'm using my mist bottle to help me do that. Now you guys, typically whenever I wash my braids, I try my best not to apply products on the full length of the braid. I'm mainly going for my scalp, you guys. I'm trying to maintain my wash routine, so having these braids is not going to stop that. So I'm going in with my Selsum Blue, and I'm applying it directly to my scalp. I do like this particular shampoo for braids because during the drying process, my hair doesn't have like that funky smell. Now at some point, after a lot of washes, you will have to take your braids out, okay? Realistically. But again, I've only had these braids for about a week or so. So this is the first wash day since having these braids, and so I just definitely like that it doesn't have a perfumey scent, and that it's going to keep my hair smelling funky. Literally, once your hair dry, you don't even smell the shampoo anymore. So I think this is just great for if you have braids. So I have washed out the shampoo. I'm going to follow up with my Shea Moisture Shea Butter conditioner, you guys. I had some of this left. I really like this stuff. I did not want it to go to waste. So this is my first time actually using Shea Moisture in my hair with braids. You guys, here we are after the wash. This is what my braids are looking like here. That's a little bit of what my scalp looked like. Again, that's the nape of my head. No residue there, so I will have to say this particular shampoo and conditioner was a good combination for me. I love it. So basically what I do is, after I've gotten done washing my hair, I try to go in and scrunch my hair back into the bob shape because I don't want it to lose that shape. Just the little water that's left in my hair, it is weighing the braids down. So to kind of help combat that, I like to try my drying towel and go up under the bob, and then fold up the hair towel where it will still allow my hair to maintain that curved shape. And then I kind of just tie it in such a way where it does not come loose. And for about a good 30 or 40 minutes, I'll allow the remaining water to drain out in the towel while trying to maintain the curved shape of my braids. And then after that, I follow up with the dryer and I'm done. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.